In what ratio must a grocer mix two varieties of tea worth 60 a kg and 65 a kg so that by selling the mixture at 68.20 a kg, he may gain 10%? Now, in such kind of mixture and allegation questions, what we do is we write down the first cost price mentioned over here, the second cost price mentioned over here, that is the right corner, and here we always write down the cost price of the mixture. Now, when we cross subtract, we get the ratio of the quantities in which the two types are mixed. Now, in this question, we are not given the cost price of the mixture directly, but we are given the selling price of the mixture and the profit percentage. So the first step is we have to find out the cost price of the mixture. We cannot use 68.20 over here, otherwise the answer will be wrong. So here we will find out the cost price of the mixture by this formula from our profit and loss. So selling price equal to cost price into multiplying factor. Now because it is gain of 10%, that is profit of 10%, the multiplying factor becomes 1 plus. Because it is profit, it is plus. And the fraction equivalent of 10% is 1 by 10. So that becomes 11 by 10. So the selling price is 68.20. Cost price we have to find out, and the multiplier is 11 by 10. So solving this, we get the cost price as 62. So now we can easily do the allegation. So the first cost price mentioned is 60. The second cost price mentioned is 65. And here we get 62. Okay. Now we write down 62 here because that is the cost price of the mixture. Now we cross subtract. 65 minus 62 is 3 and 62 minus 60 is 2. So this is our answer. The two types need to be mixed in the ratio 3:2. So the answer will be option A.